Hello everyone, welcome back to physical education class. This is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. In the previous videos, we learned about leadership qualities. I hope you all understood this topic. Now we will start with next term, role of leader. Let's start the topic, role of leaders. The general functions of the leaders remain the same, but the specific role vary from group to group. This specific role depends on the group which he is representing. The importance of leadership in the field of physical education can be seen in the functions which a physical education leader has to perform. Next is following is the role of a leader in the field of physical education. First point is controlling group behavior. The physical education leader always tries to prevent to a minimum certain types of individual behavior that are against the best interests of the whole team. The leader enforces the rules effectively. He can enforce the rules of the group using rewards and punishments. He gives punishment to the member or player of a team who creates indiscipline. He may gives rewards to a player who performs well and who proves himself an asset to the team. In this way, the leader of physical education controls the group behavior. Next point is plannings for the group. The leader decides the ways and means by which the group shall achieve its ends. This comprises short range and long range planning, and it is up to the leader to determine what part of the plan he will let out immediately and what part he will confide only to a few or not at all. Due to his role as a planner and a strategist, the followers develop a feeling that the successful leader can solve all the problems effectively or efficiently. A leader analyzes every aspect in his mind while making plan or policy. He needs a thorough and vivid knowledge in laying out a plan. In the field of physical education, the leader makes both types of plan. For example, short term as well as long term planning. Next point is communicating for the group. The leader plays a role of spokesman. He speaks for the group. A leader must be sensitive to the emotions of others. He should be skillful in translating feelings to the group into both words and actions. Next point is leader as a controller of personal relationship. All the matters pertaining to discipline of the group or team like rewards and punishments. Arbitrations are all in the hands of the leader. The internal differences are settled by the leader. He makes every effort to raise the moral standard of the team. He takes decisions either his own or with the help of others. He takes disciplinary measures against a member who is at fault. Next point is leader as a representative. Leader is the sole representative of the group. He represents the whole group and is the one who speaks in group meetings. In the field of sports, the leader speaks for the whole team. If the team faces any problem, the leader discusses the problem with authorities. He fights for the members of the team. He is the main person who goes forward to talk for the team. Next point is leader as a role model. A leader inspires the member of his group or team by his quotable examples. He sets apex norms of conduct, character, and idealism. He has all the qualities within himself that he would like to inculcate among the other members of his team. The group unity also depends upon how the leader performs his work wholeheartedly. Dear students, you can write your own views or points also. Better regarding this topic, if you have any queries, you can call me, you can write me. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.